Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the display. Let's tap, and here we have to scroll in order to find the option screen timeout. As you can see, it is notified here that we've got 30 minutes right now set, so let's tap, and here we've got more options, of course, from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So as I said, right now we've got 30 minutes applied. We can say that of course here also, because this option is applied. So if you'd like to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, for example, and as you can see right now, actually immediately this option is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.